Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So, if you have been asking yourself on the reason why your post or your article got rejected by Opera News, or we're gonna give you some little much information about that. And at the end of this video, I have a package for you that will also help you to make more money on Opera News, or as long as you jump on it. So just stick around to the end of this video. So I created an account on Opera News Hub, and I'm gonna show you in this video. So you can see these are my posts that I have on Opera News Hub. I have a lot of things I'm actually doing, so I really don't have enough time to focus on this uh con on this account. So you can see I have more of this post, and scrolling down, you're gonna see just one article got rejected. So I have published over, I think, over 36 content on this account, and only one post got rejected. So actually, there are different things that I can have your account or your post got rejected by Opera News, or probably from how you write your content, from where you get your content from the source, image, and the way you structure your content on Opera News, or can actually warrant it to get rejected by the moderator on the platform. So me and my friend, my partner, have put something together. They're gonna help you out on getting this kind of issue resolved. So we have this course where you can see Opera News or course 101 for all Africans. So a road to 300K per month, or $300. And if you scroll down right here, it's available for Nigerian, South Africa, Ghana, Kenya, Egypt, and Cote d'Ivoire. And if you are in Nigerian, this is just I think 2000 naira currently, when I'm making this video. If you jump on it as fast as possible, so everything was explained in this video course. It's a video course, not an article. So, and I believe video course will definitely help you, because everything was explained in video and in real time, so that you won't find anything difficult. So this is not written in a text, it's a video course, so you don't have anything to worry about. So on the outline on this particular course, let me just give you a brief. They walk you through how to um, write your content, how to source out for content, best time to post on Opera News Hub, and the kind of content you can actually post that will go viral on this platform. So if you jump on this course now, you can see it's just 2000 naira. And if you scroll down on the description of this course, you can see the original price is 5000, and basically it's supposed to be 2500 naira. But with the fact that we are making this content for people out there, because we know that you guys are really interested in making money, so you can just jump on this and start making money as fast as possible and get your post approved as fast as possible. And if you are in other country aside from Nigeria, this gonna just be $2, something like that, to get this, just $2, and you'll be able to get this course to yourself. It's in video, like I said. So all you just need to do is just click on buy now, and then you can start watching the video. And I believe after watching that video, you will be able to understand how Opera News Hub works and how you can publish posts to get approved on the platform. So if you have any other question, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I'm very much happy to help you out. Thank you.